This is an acid-base reaction. HCl is a strong acid. Calcium hydroxide, while not soluble, is a strong base. Our products are going to be a salt plus water. In this case, our salt is going to be calcium chloride. It's soluble, so it's going to be present as aqueous solution. H plus hydroxide gives us liquid water. Now, to balance this, we're going to need 2 HCl's and we'll generate 2 waters. So now we have our balanced full molecular equation. The next step is to represent everything as it exists in the beaker. HCl, a strong acid, is going to exist as H plus ions and chloride, aqueous ions. Calcium hydroxide as a solid is going to be represented as a solid. As far as products, calcium chloride is soluble, so that's going to be represented as aqueous ions. Water as a pure liquid is going to be represented as a pure liquid. Next, we want to identify the spectator ions, and we see the chloride ion here appear exactly the same on one side of the equation as the other, and therefore are spectator ions. Chloride ions are our only spectator ions, so we rewrite everything just ignoring the spectator ions. So we have 2H plus aqueous reacting with our calcium hydroxide solid. Our products are going to be a calcium 2 plus ion, aqueous in solution, and 2 waters.